Here we have already two tool I have already defined here, but again we will define this tool and how to take this tool from the library. I will show you. So first go to this create tool, and from this library, from the milling, select this non-indexable, and all non-indexable tool are here. And my first tool is this 8 millimeter end mill, and one more tool for corner cleaning. I will use this 2 millimeter tool. 2 millimeter tool. Okay, just click this. So two tool I have added. Now you can see one and two. Two tool is there. Now create a new workpiece. Select, and location is under this MCS. My part is this, and for blank I will use this bounding block and click OK. Finish. Click here, and now I will select create operation, and in this first I will use this floor and wall, and tool 8 millimeter workpiece 1, and change it to rough. Okay, and click OK. Now select area to cut. This is my area to cut, and here roughing and creative preview. Okay, here depth of cut, let's say 1, and this depth is, I think it is 17, I think, and click here. Here now generate this. Just zoom this and select preview. This 3D preview is not coming, some internal violation. No problem, you can see it here in 2D dynamic.
Okay.
Okay, I have to restart this NX, then only this 3D dynamic will work, है ना?
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, sir, no problem.
Just stop this and click OK. And here I want to define one more thing. Go to this cutting parameter. Under this stock, the part stock is this. Okay, this stock is remain on the wall, and I want some floor. This floor, final floor stock, say 0.5. Okay, so that time after this operation, the stock will remain on wall and on this floor as well. Okay, so both sides the stock will remain. Now I want to finish this wall. That time I will choose finish wall. Okay, it will cut only on the walls. Select the tool and change it to finish. Here part boundary, first select the part boundary. My part boundary is this, and tool side inside, click OK. And blank boundary, this is my blank. Tool inside, that's okay. And specify floor, this is my floor. Okay, and this profile will automatically come. Okay, cut pattern, this profile, it will come automatically and generate the same what we are doing with the
Sir,
profile.
one second, I am getting small. Blank, why can we give the blank boundaries?
Actually I want to cut only this portion, na?
Uh-huh.
For this operation we are using only this portion, so I have defined.
Okay, okay. For observation purpose, tool is moving like that person only. Okay.
Yeah, that's why, है ना? And
Uh-huh.
here it is. Now tool is
Okay.
bigger, so the corner at the corners the material will be remain, है ना? And before that we will finish this floor. So I will use this next option, finish floor, and click the part boundary because I am cutting only this face, this pocket. So select this and tool inside. Okay, part blank at this, and the floor, this is my floor, है ना? Okay, ठीक है. The cut pattern, follow the part, and here cut floor only, it will cut only floor, and generate this. Okay,
Okay.
so separately you can finish wall and floor, both you can separately finish it. And for this corner finish, okay, this cleanup corners, select this cleanup corner, it will cleanse the corner whatever the material is left. So I will choose this 2 mm diameter tool, and this is keep it same. And part boundary, select this part boundary, this is my part boundary, and tool inside, blank boundary, this space, and specify floor, floor is this, and cut level, depth of cut, common depth of cut is 1. Sorry, system is shut down, है ना? Here in cleanup corner we have selected this part boundary, and by using this curve, 4 curves are my part boundary, and it is closed. And here it is tool side is inside because tool will cut inside this pocket. And for blank I have selected this face, so see again, here this tool side is inside the pocket, tool will come cut inside the pocket, and I have selected this bottom face for my blank. And specific floor is my this bottom face, and here in cut pattern, follow part will follow, and scroll down. Here we have to make some changes in cutting parameter. Here by default it is use 2D IPW. We have to change this, use reference tool. We have to choose the tool which we have used in previous this face milling operation. We have used this 8 mm diameter anvil for this face milling. We have to select the tool, our tool, next tool, 2 mm tool, diameter tool will follow this reference tool. The material which is left after this tool cutting, it will cut only that material. Click here and click over this generate. It will generate like this. Now it is okay, just click OK. And for preview, now let's see the 3D verification. Just zoom this and verify. Select all operation, and in 2D dynamic just play this. This is my first floor and wall operation with zigzag pattern. I have selected zigzag, that's why it is cutting like this. If you want some more smooth, that time you have to select that part, follow part, third operation. And now this is our cleanup corner, and because it is using level based, that's why it is cutting on each level. I will show you this again by changing one option. Go to this cutting parameter, and here in strategy we will change this order to depth first. So first it will cut first depth, after that it will shift to another corner, and click OK. And here in tool just added this and increase its height. Its length is 14, change it to 25, click OK and generate again. Now see the preview in 2D dynamic. Increase the speed and play. Okay, hope you understand this operation properly. If you have any queries regarding this operation, you can comment me. And thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.